2026 is here, and this is the year AI completely changes how YouTube channels are built. In this series, I will be revealing new and fast-growing niches you can start right now using only AI. We will analyze channels that are already winning in these niches, break down the exact strategy they are using, and show you how you can jump in early. If you are new here, like this video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss what is coming next. In this video, I am showing you how to create traditional and cultural videos and fully monetize them on YouTube using AI tools. All you need is a creative idea and the right AI platform. When you look at channels like this one, they recreate the history of ancient empires, and these videos go viral. Some of them pull in between $19,000 and $57,000 using AI-generated cultural content. These videos perform extremely well because people love reconnecting with their roots and preserving culture through storytelling. If you want to enter this niche and grow fast, pay close attention. I'm going to show you how easy this really is. First, take a look at what we are about to create.
Your Highness.
Thank you for coming.
Long ago, when the stars were young, I grew up knowing that I was going to be a storyteller.
Everything you saw, the visuals, ambient sounds, and dialogue, was created using a single tool from one idea. This is how you can bring culture to life and pass it to the next generation using AI. Let us jump straight into the tutorial. The tool we are using is Katalist AI. This platform takes one prompt, breaks it into a complete script, generates visuals with consistent characters, and produces a final video with sound and synchronized dialogue, all without manual editing. I have left the link to Katalist AI in the description below. Click on Try for free and sign up using your Google account. Once you log in, Katalist AI gives you multiple ways to visualize your ideas. You can create anime, cartoon videos, cinematic films, music videos, YouTube shorts, and more. Since our goal is to create a full video from a single idea, we will select this option. You can either upload a prepared script or simply type a rough idea and let Katalist handle the rest. Our focus is a traditional video about preserving culture. I am pasting a prompt about a Buganda cultural exploration in Uganda. Adjust the number of scenes you want and click on Generate Script. Katalist AI analyzes the idea and breaks it into a complete script. If you want to edit any section, click on the pencil icon and update it. You can adjust the number of scenes, change the entire concept, or regenerate the script. From here, set the aspect ratio based on your platform. You can also update the title and overall setting. Once everything looks good, click on Next. Choose the video style. Since I want realistic people, I am selecting cinematic, then clicking Create Project. Katalist AI scans the script and automatically generates characters. If you want to modify a character, click the Edit icon. From there, you can adjust appearance, clothing, and even the voice. Save the changes and proceed by clicking Create Project. Katalist AI then generates all visuals with consistent characters and smooth scene transitions. Notice how accurately it captures the culture, environment, people, and dressing. You can see grass-thatched houses, village settings, marketplaces, people cooking in pots, eating together, serving food on yam leaves, palace scenes, cultural performances, and storytelling around the fireplace. With the visuals ready, the next step is animation. You can animate each scene individually, but that takes time. Instead, select the timeline option and let Katalist AI automatically arrange everything in the correct sequence. Click Create Videos and choose your video model. Katalist AI supports top models like WAN 2, Pixverse, Kling, Runway, Sora 2, and Veo 3. I am choosing Google Veo 3 because of its cinematic quality and built-in sound generation. Click Generate and let the platform animate everything. Once the clips are ready, preview them to confirm all scenes generated correctly. If any clip fails, you can regenerate it individually. You can then add auto voice, music, or narration to enhance storytelling. Everything is now complete. Export the video by selecting video format. And just like that, your traditional AI-generated video is ready. Let us take a look.
Your Highness.
Thank you for coming.
Long ago, when the stars were young, I grew up knowing that I was going to be a storyteller.
If you are serious about creating high-quality traditional videos faster, this tool is worth testing. Try Katalist AI using the link below, experiment with one idea, and see how powerful one prompt can be. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI creation tutorials, and comment below with the type of video you want to create next. I will see you in the next one.